Another day, another hat, another Red Bull. Hello, welcome to a new video. So last night I couldn't sleep. I was up for quite a while, and one of my friends messaged me about some like art installation that is here for the weekend in Vegas, and I had no idea what the heck they were talking about, but it looked super cool. It was like a colorful pool in the middle of the desert, and it's only 40 minutes away from the house, so of course I gotta go check it out. This is the kind of shit I love doing. Just get up and go. You know, I literally heard about this last night at like 1:30 in the morning, and I woke up this morning and was like, I'm gonna go. So I just, I got up, got ready in like 20 minutes, packed a bag of some snacks and drinks, and left the house. This is the shit I do. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into here. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be super cool or if it's gonna be kind of lame. Like, when it comes to art installations, at least here in Vegas, it's like, we had that art installation where it was just like a bunch of stacked rocks that were painted really bright colors. And like, I don't know, that's so shitty. It's like, it's so lame. And it was also only supposed to be there for like a month or something. It was like, oh yeah, limited art installation. It's been like 6 years and that shit's still there. It's like an eyesore to look at when you're driving in or out of Vegas. Wow, this is like really in the middle of nowhere. I'm in the middle of the desert. It's really nice. A lot of Joshua trees around, mountains. This road sucks though. It's like very bumpy, and there's potholes and lots of cracks and stuff. There's like no one out here. Oh, here comes one truck. This is so weird. It's literally a giant pool, like a inflatable pool in the middle of the desert. That was just as weird as I thought it was going to be. I don't know, man. I don't know. Wow, look at this lighting. It's like heavenly. Because I'm an angel. Just kidding. I'm like literally the devil. Okay, so I waited to get back into the car because it's like cold and windy outside, and I didn't want the whole distorted audio thing like the other video. So here we are. And I was saying that, yeah, it was just as weird as I thought it was going to be. I didn't know what to expect, but compared to, is this lady lost? It's that way. But compared to other art installations that I've been to, they're kind of all the same. They're kind of cool, kind of weird, kind of lame, because there's not much to do. It's like, you come all the way out here and you park and you get out and you look at it and you take pictures and you stay for like 30 minutes and then leave. And that's basically what I did. I probably stayed for like 20 minutes. And yeah, it was fine. It was cool. It was colorful. It's just like, it's like 50 degrees out right now, or my car says 48 degrees, and it's windy. It's not the best weekend to be going to a pool. And I overheard one of the guys say that the water temperature was 40 degrees. There's no way in hell I'm getting in 40-degree water. I'm not even sticking my feet in. It's gonna be a no for me, dog. Regardless though, I'm glad I came out. It was still something to do. It wasn't very far. It's like, why not? I wasn't doing anything. I was just gonna stay home and like clean up the house or whatever, but that's not gonna take all day. This is just a couple hours out of my day to go see some weird shit in the desert. And trust me, there's a lot of weird shit in the desert. Should I do that? Should that be another video soon? Like all the weird shit I see in the desert when I'm like driving around and traveling and all that. I think it's really interesting. There's some weird shit going on. And for the people that have followed me for years on my Instagram know that I love to do road trips. I'm always out on a road trip or traveling and exploring and hiking, adventuring, driving somewhere. Like, that's the kind of thing that I love to do. And a lot of the time it's super spontaneous like this. It's rare if I am really planning out a trip to like go drive somewhere. It's more of like, I wake up in the morning, what am I doing today? Nothing. Okay, let's go to Zion, let's go to Sedona, let's go to Bryce Canyon. You know, it's fun for me, and it's all about the adventure. I love exploring, I love being outside, and you know, so this is right up my alley. Even though it was like kind of weird and there wasn't a lot to do, I still really enjoyed it. I just like being out. So this art installation thing was on a ranch, and I'm still here. I'm just sitting in my car, and I think I'm more interested in checking out the ranch than the actual pool. So let's see if I can just freely walk around. I saw a sign that said like peacocks and ravens, so we'll find out. Okay, honestly, this is way cooler than the art installation. This is so cool. Like, is it glamping? Can you stay here? Oh, hello, friend. Hi, buddy. Oh, so soft. You're so soft. Look at you. Look at your eyes. Wow. Hey, buddy. You're looking very dapper today. Looking very plump. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I see a pig. Aw, the little ear twitches are so cute. Ugh, I'm so glad I did that. That was way better than the little art installation. Like, the animals, the nature, the birds freaking chirping around everywhere. Best part of the day. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.